Hello children, hope you all are doing great. Yes, lovely children. You all are looking so pretty. Everyone clap for yourself. Yes. Okay. Alright children, you all know about the vowels and the consonants as we have done in our previous classes also. Children, you know that there are 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O and U. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Yes, children. So these vowels have different sounds because with these sounds we make different words. You know children that vowels have different sounds and with these sounds we make different words. In today's class children we will learn about the vowel sound of letter A. Sound of vowel A. Sound of vowel A. Come on everyone. Say sound of vowel A. Children, vowel A has a sound A. A. A says A. As in apple. As in apple. Red apple. Can you hear the sound A? First A comes, then the rest of the words. Apple. Arm. Ants. You all know about the ants. Ants are cheating. Ants. Atlas. And so on. Many vocabulary words you will find. Now it's time to see vowel A along with the consonants. Now let us look at the magic A. The magic A, when is joined with different consonants, it makes different words. Hence, we all can say vowels make different words. So let's look at the magic A. Magic A, magic A, magic A, please come to make different words. Magic A says A. Magic A says A. Okay children, now look here. The first picture. The first picture is of a van. Now if you look at the sound, just hear the sound very carefully. Van. In the center, you can see A. In the center, V-A-N, which says V. V says V. A. Van. V-an. So here, when A is combined with the consonant V and N, it changes to make a word. Van. That is why I am calling this A as magic A. Yes children, it is magic A because it makes different words. So everyone remember, magic A has a sound A. Now let us all look at this bag. B-A-G. B says B. B-A-G. Bag. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Here where is the placement of A? It's in the center. B-A-G. Bag. Look at fan. F says F or F. F-A-N. Fan. 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 Fan give us the air. The next picture is of a cap. C and P, when are clubbed or joined together with vowel A, they make a sound K-A-P. Cap. Cap. Repeat after me. Cap. Yes. cap. C, apple, cap. Magic A, magic A. Now we know the magic A, magic A has a sound A. We make words with different vowels. We make words with the help of vowel. Now we know the magic A, magic A, magic A has a sound. Magic A, magic A, magic A, magic A says A. Now, let's quickly all look at the different vocabulary words with magic A. Let's look at this bird. B-A-T. B-A-T. Bat. Bat. Yes, you are right. One bat is to play cricket and another one is a bird. Bird, bat. You know bat is a nocturnal animal or a mammal bird because it doesn't sleep in the night. रात को वो नहीं सोता and is always visible in the dark. Bat. Bat, bat. The next word is mat. M-A-T says M-A-T, mat. Mat. M-A-T, mat. H-A-T, H-A-T, hat. Hat. H-A-T, hat. Now children, we all know the magic A. The words are formed with the help of vowels. The magic A. Magic A says A. Don't forget the phonic sound or the vowel sound of magic A. A says A. Always remember vowel sound and consonants also to make different words. In today's class, we have learnt when A is combined or joined with different consonants, we make different words. So remember the magic A. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye. But before that, keep on revising the sound of magic A. A says A, as in cap, mat, rat, bat. Yes, children, and think of many more vocabulary words. Bye-bye.